If you know this song, you're a child of heaven. He's the first and the last, the beginning and the end. He lives forevermore. Uh, no one else can compare to the great and mighty King, Ancient of Days. The song we sing, the air we breathe, it all belongs to Him. God of everything, we praise Your name, we shout for